Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing amazing. Today we're looking at some of the best cryptos you can buy in 2023. And I'm going to make my own little tier list because I've always wanted to do this. It's just a bit of fun. Basically, it lets me rank my favorite cryptocurrencies on this chart here. Of course, it's all opinion based and you might not agree with what I say. But yeah, I thought I would make this today just a bit of fun whilst, the altcoin market is starting to look very, very strong, valued at $552 billion as we're trying to bounce out of this descending triangle right here. And hopefully we can see continuation up to the $600 billion mark. If you're new to the channel, by the way, guys, get yourself into my Discord down below. It's where you can learn a lot about trading and all things crypto in the crypto winter. So hopefully see you there. Come say hi and don't be shy. So yeah, let's have a little look, guys. Bitcoin's looking really, really nice as well. I mean, the rainbow chart suggests we are in an accumulation phase for all things crypto, but we are starting to bounce into a neutral market sentiment. Anyways, let's crack on with it. Let's crack on. So S tier is the ones that you do not want to miss out on, in my opinion. E and D, maybe they're pretty passable, they're not the best coins, but S tier will be the ones that are really, really good. So let's talk about it. I'm just going to do the ones I definitely recognize, but it's worth looking at. So straight off the bat, I mean, no brainer, guys, no brainer. It's going to be Bitcoin straight into the S tier, looking undervalued at a $443 billion market cap. Looking at the all-time data in the market cap, it came up to a whopping 1.3 trillion in the bull market. Can you see that over there? 1.3 trillion. So we're looking really undervalued for Bitcoin, in my opinion. I do see this going way beyond 2 trillion in the future. Bitcoin, 21 million total supply. You can carry it in a centralized exchange, on a soft wallet, hard wallet, wherever you want. It's actually utilizable. You can buy cars, you can buy houses with Bitcoin. You can do some great stuff with it. So it's a hedge against inflation. You can't use gold in the same way. You can't just immediately go and spend your gold like you can with this. And being digitalized, being something that's still not even mass adopted, just so bullish on Bitcoin. I do see us having a 6-figure Bitcoin by the next bull run, and when we have the next halving, making it even more scarce and shocking the supply once again, things just look great for Bitcoin, right? So that's what I can say. Next one's going to be, let's have a look. Litecoin's an interesting one. Litecoin, because it is undervalued, I think Litecoin can actually go in the A tier, guys. We're going to put that in the A tier. Let's have a little look at Litecoin quickly. Litecoin, $95. $7 billion market capitalization at the moment, so it seems pretty safe, and it's volatile. It's so volatile. In the bull markets, this thing absolutely flies. Can you see those huge blow off tops where it's coming up to crazy market cap valuations of $24 billion? Speculate we'll at least see, if we look at market cap from here, 86% in supply. A 10x is kind of realistic, so I like Litecoin. I think it's really great what it's trying to do, being a currency and all. It just needs to get more hype and belief behind the overall project itself. So Litecoin will be sitting in rank A for this particular coin. We're now going to put Avalanche up here into the A system as well. I really like my layer 1 infrastructures and things like this. Avalanche for developing, dApp, smart contracts. Only $19 right now, guys. Rank 15. $6 billion market capitalization. If we look at the all-time data again, once upon a time it was up at $128+. That's absolutely phenomenal, guys. So it's looking undervalued. It's going in rank A. Chainlink straight into S tier for me. I'm bullish on Chainlink. I really think it matters a lot. And looking at the price data, I actually had a dollar cost averaging chart in the Discord, which I'm going to try and find for you right now, actually, whilst we're here. It's not very far away. Link right here. So I'm bullish on Link because it looks like we're in such an undervaluation phase. Do you see this right here? This orange phase here is the sideways trading. What happened last time in the orange phase explode into a bull market, into a downtrend. So I'm bullish on the price structure. That's also in the Discord, by the way. You can find out more about this. Very bullish on the price structure. Chainlink is getting a rank S for me. I love accumulating Chainlink, especially at these lower levels of $6.83. When we look at the previous all-time data, Chainlink was all the way at $53. So we could see this potentially go to $100+ in the future. What else we got here? Let's have a look. Oh man, is that Luna? Luna, it's going straight into the EOD. I don't like it. I just don't like nothing to do with it. D. We'll put it in D. The reason is because it does get a lot of trade volume, but Do Kwon and the whole Luna Classic thing was like a big middle finger, the whole hard forking. It's just like, let me try and provide a solution. Almost costing us nothing, and then just rug pull everyone and basically trip everyone into a massive euphoria FOMO sensation again. And yeah, so for that reason it's getting a D. I'm not even gonna look at it on CoinMarketCap. Polkadot, Polygon straight up there in the A, guys. Why? Because it scales Ethereum. I'm very, very bullish on scaling coins. Polygon can easily do some big stuff in the future. I remember when this launched, Polygon Matic. At the moment it is ranked 10. Wow, it's a top 10 coin still. $9.5 billion market cap. Looks pretty good, actually. One interesting thing about this coin, it didn't really correct that hard compared to many other coins in the market, so that's interesting. And speaking of Polygon, of course, Ethereum straight up there, tip of the spearhead for altcoins. What can you do about the Ethereum mainnet? You know, everything is built on Ethereum, so Ethereum will definitely maintain itself in an S tier for now and forevermore. I will love Ethereum forever. What is going on? Ethereum is just like, every portfolio needs a bit of Ethereum in my honest opinion. So looking really, really good. Ethereum ranked 2, $1,500. Certainly looking pretty undervalued when we look retrospectively. It came up to like 6K, wasn't it? Okay, 5K. So we're now at the same valuation as where we were back in 2018 bull market. Difference is you have extreme greed there. Now we've got extreme fear. So S tier for Ethereum. Definitely, guys. Definitely. I really recognize this one, but I can't remember what it is. It's Cardano? I think it's Cardano. Cardano is going to go straight into an A ranking for me. Really bullish on the CEO, Charles. I mean, you cannot be bearish on him at all. Same with BNB. I absolutely love CZ Binance, and he's actually acquiring more centralized exchanges, failing one. So he's almost like an angel investor at the moment because he wants to create more trustworthy, transparent, centralized exchanges. What else do we have? What else do we have? Is that Monero? We've got Compound over here. We're going to put probably Aave over here for collateral services. Really, really bullish on Aave. XRP straight into the B as well. Let's get through these, shall we? Let's get through these. Solana, I'm very, very bullish on Solana. I mean, look at Solana's price action, everybody. I mean, check this out. The last few months has been outrageous for this coin. We can see Solana was in a slump phase at like $9. It pumped up to $24 in the peak of the bull run. This thing was flying like $200 plus, $258 right there. So it's undervalued in my opinion. Market capitalization still undervalued as well because it came up to $78 billion, which is crazy. It's almost a 9x from current price levels. So Solana's getting a rank at 8, and I do think we will see a revival for this ecosystem at some point in the future. Uniswap, this is Uniswap, isn't it? Of course it is. Uniswap, A tier. Come on, guys. Decentralized exchanges, if not the biggest decentralized exchange that exists right now. PancakeSwap. Ooh, you know what? I used to be so bullish on this. It's either C or B. C because all of the high APR, the liquidity pools, the staking pairs are really not very lucrative anymore. B because when more dApps are built in the bull market and we see altcoins tenfold again, we could potentially see PancakeSwap also tenfold. So it's really difficult, but if I'm just going to look at utility and trust, because there's been so many scammy projects on PancakeSwap and high fees, I think we're going to have to stick this one in the C category for now. Meme coins, so we've got Doge and Shiba Inu. Let's have a look at Doge, shall we, very, very quickly. Doge is interesting. Doge is still a top 10, I think. Yeah, there we go. It's ranked 9, so that's absolutely insane. We have a look at the price history over here for Dogecoin. Of course, Elon Musk basically pumped this thing to the moon. $83 billion. It just looks like a natural correction right now of the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Let's see what can happen from here onwards. Rank 9 is undervalued. Maybe. Can Elon Musk truly pump this thing again to the moon? Maybe not. But one thing we do know about meme coins is they are utility based, and if Elon Musk does do something interesting with his Twitter in terms of making it a utility coin or something, we could definitely see Dogecoin fly again in the future. As for Shiba Inu, I'm not really as bullish. It's going to go into the D category for me. I think there are plenty more other altcoins that serve a lot more value and look a lot more interesting. You know, I don't know, I think it's cool. The play to earn side of it's nice, but too much hype, and don't think we're going to see a full recovery for this one. Ethereum Classic goes straight into C. It's volatile, it's fun, but I don't really see any value. Amcoin we can stick into C as well. Tezos, I do like a bit Tezos, so that can go in the B category for me. This one is Polkadot. Ooh, Polkadot. I mean, hang on a minute, hang on. Tether, obviously, straight into S. Tether, we need you, we love you. What else do we have here? Monero, I think that can go into C category. This can go straight into the D category as well. Cosmos. Cosmos is an interesting one. This is Maker, isn't it? Maker. I actually think Maker's got a good future. So we're going to put Maker into the B category. I know it's got potential for 4 figures. Let's have a look. You can see, yeah, so $644 at the moment. Yeah, it was $5,000 back in the bull market. So looking undervalued. One bullish thing is 97% of total supply is in circulation, so we wouldn't see a price shock if, for instance, 50% of supply was released into the ecosystem, or at least, available on exchanges and things. So it does look rather undervalued. Had a very good market cap of 5 billion, and we're starting to see a pattern here. Everything is corrected around 90%, and that's what we can start to notice. The graph will go straight into a B tier. VeChain, I like VeChain. It's going to go straight into B as well. Looks really, really bullish. This is USDC, I think. So I'm not as bullish on it as I am on Tether because of depegging and stuff. So we'll just shove this one in the C tier. This is DAO, I think. DAO Maker or something like that. Is it that? Let's check. I'm a bit confused over here. DAO something. I really recognize the logo. Imagine if it's not. I don't even have a clue what it is then. Lol. We can quickly check. Watch this, guys. I'm going to show you some magic. You do this. No, you don't. You do this. You right click it. You go to search images of Google, and then you can find exactly what that image is by using Google Lens. Good little hack. It is MakerDAO. I got it right. What the heck? So that's MakerDAO. Not too bullish. Polkadot straight away is going into the B tier for me. Very, very bullish. Cosmos, C tier. Not too fascinating. What is this one? Compound Maker. I recognize this. I really, really recognize this. We're gonna have to quickly lens it. Bear with me, guys. What do we think this is? Also, I've got $150 giveaway down below, so check it out, ladies and gents. You can enter very easily on the Twitter page. Get yourself into the Discord too. It's Compound. I swear I just said that. Compound is going to go into rank C. Good coin. It's again got some big 4-figure potential in the future. 73% of supply in circulation. Price history exactly $854. I remember it nearly getting to 1,000. So I think next bull run could certainly serve very well, and it's looking pretty undervalued at the moment as it kind of surfs through this red undervaluation phase. The last one here, I don't even know what this one is, and it looks like a mockery of Bitcoin. Is it some sort of stable coin pegged to Bitcoin? Let's quickly find out what this is. Going to be something to do with Bitcoin. It is. What is this? Not even saying right now. If anyone knows what it is, maybe it's just Bitcoin and I'm just being stupid. For that matter, straight into the S tier. So there is my tier list, guys. You can see exactly there which coins I feel most bullish about, the sentiment, long-term plays, and even looking at some of these coins would make up a pretty good portfolio. Now, the thing is, lots of these coins, they're not really low market caps. They've all got relatively high market caps and look like top 100 coins. So whilst they are good for diversifying a portfolio, you might want to wait or allocate some of your capital into more low cap gems as well. You can find a bunch of those in my Discord channel. We've got pre-sales that we're looking at. They all launch usually between $1 and $15 million market capital. And of course, make sure you're always using coin market cap over here. Very, very good. So there's 22,400 different coins here, and you can actually just go through the pages and find which coins have the lower market caps. For example, if you go to page 5, we're going to start seeing some very small market caps like 40 million. The chance of that 10xing to 400 million is kind of high, isn't it? So always look through and research. If we went to rank page 89, we're going to see some market caps that are pretty much non-existent and would be considered extremely high risk, high reward, and you'd probably be a bit of an idiot to put anything more than 5% of your net worth, liquid net worth in. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That is my tier maker in terms of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, USDT. I wish there was a few more. And then at the A tiers, these are ones I would definitely like to include in any sort of healthy portfolio. I think they look really, really good. Kind of want to put AVE up here, but I don't know. That's probably it. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye for now.